Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. How are you queens doing? It has been a hot minute. I'm super excited to bring you this video because you know what? Mary Kay just launched brand new foundations. That's right. We have new improved foundations in our foundation line. I'm super excited. It comes with two formulas, matte wear and luminous, okay? Matte wears is for those with combination to oily skin, and the luminous is for anyone with normal to dry skin. So also they came out with two blush sticks and I'm super excited to play with these. And they also upgraded our complexion sponge. I'm excited to try this. I hope she's nice and bouncy and soft. Already she does feel a little better compared to the other one. So let's begin. So I went ahead and got the deep 7. So that's what we're going to try today. I haven't tried it all yet. And I'm also going to be swatching the other shades just for a reference for anyone who's going to be trying to figure out their foundation shade. And this is in the deep category. All right, queens. So I swatched the foundations right here. This is deep 6. The next one is deep 7, which I think is a better, match of my shade. The one behind that, which you can even barely see, is deep 8. And the one at the back is deep 9. I think the deep 6 is more, W130. The deep 7, kind of like more 140. So I believe this is more like 150 and then 160. All right. I hope that helps anyone who's trying to figure out their shade. Also, I'm going to do one side matte deep 7 and the other side luminous deep 7. But I want to test it out on camera and see for you guys. Okay, so first start with primer. Just going to apply that in my T-zone. All right, gonna start with the matte right here. All right, that's the matte. That's the deep 7 on this side of my face. She looks good. Very good, Mary Kay. Gonna go in with a second layer because she is buildable. What are you guys' thoughts about the tube? Do you like it? What do you think compared to the other one? Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Of course, you can stipple, you can blend. I'm gonna do the luminous on this side. I'm gonna use the blending brush for this side. No reason, just because that's the other brush I have. I want to use 2 separate brushes so that we're not mixing the formula. Yes, you can definitely see that glow, huh? Do you see the glow? That's the glow of the luminous. All right, queen. So there you have it. This is the luminous side. And again, how do you tell which one's luminous? It's going to have a pink stripe at the back. Okay. For those of you who are new, if you want luminous, is a foundation with a pink stripe at the back. The matte wear has the purple. So this is what my skin is looking like. All right. Matte wear on this side, luminous on this side. Interesting, isn't it? I just wanted to try both to see. Because I think there are going to be days when I'm going to want a little shine, a little glowiness. And if I don't want to do CC cream, I can grab my luminous foundation. So let me know in the comments what you queens think. Next, I'm going to play with the new concealer. I got deep 1 as well as medium 2. Deep 1 is pretty much like the light bronze concealer shade we had before. But the medium 2 is a little lighter. So I wanted to have a little extra light one just for when I want a bit of a more highlight, you know what I mean? So we're going to play with that. So I'm going to start with deep 1 right here. You got to like push it out. Sometimes it might separate. So you just have to kind of squish the tube around and stuff a little bit to get it all mixed up in there. Okay, Mary Kay, come through. This is a good sponge. This is a good sponge. Doesn't feel like a rock. It's nice and soft. I have wet it with water a few times, squeezed it out a few times, and it did grow a bit in size. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Just take a look at the structure of this. Do you see that angle part here like this? I think this is great for, on the eye to blend your concealer. This part will be good for your base, for your foundation. So let's test it out. This is good. This is good. I'm impressed. This is nice and soft. The other one was, a bit much for me. I preferred this. This is good. So let's blend out our concealer. That blended out well. I like it. Good job, Mary Kay. I'm gonna add just a little bit of medium too. You see that? You see how that just totally just brightened? So yeah, don't be afraid to go lighter for your under eye, you know, if that's something that you want. All right, queens, so I just did little contour powders on my eyes and, you know, my cheeks and all the things. And now we're gonna do our blush sticks. Let's start with the pink one. I'm just going to see, you can absolutely do this by applying directly, or you can even take your brush and do it that way. Some people even like to warm it on the back of their hands first, whatever works for you. Let's test this one here as well. All right, so that's the orange one. So she is more almost glossy looking on my skin tone. So just going to stipple to blend them in. I think I'm just going to go with my brush to pick up what I want. So just like that. Yes. Okay. So let's go here as well, because now I have a lot of color. Okay. So boom, boom, boom. Focus on the cheekbones. All right. I always like to stipple. Just like that. I'm gonna pick up the peach one because I think that gives us a nice little shine. Yes, you see that? Yeah, like it. Do we see it? Do we like it? Thoughts? Drop in the comments. Let's do a quick eye look. I'm gonna use the shimmer eyeshadow sticks. I'm gonna try Radiant Bronze right here. And I like these colors because they are super easy to use, great for on the go. And you can just use your hands or you can use a brush just to blend it in. Grab Copper Nova and I'm gonna pop that right here. You can create a nice cut crease with this. Easy because of the angle of the pen. And just like that, we have taken our eyes from daytime to glam. Just going back with a little bit of the Radiant Bronze, the outer corner, and then we'll blend. Oh, yeah. Don't worry, we're gonna blend it. I'm gonna grab my Mary Kay blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges. Oh, actually, let's add Midnight Galaxy. I feel like that'd be awesome. Let's add her right here. Come on now. Come on. Now she's gonna deepen our crease for us to make the eye stand out even more. Gonna go back with my blending brush, but already you can see how it has really opened up the eye. All right, girl. Yes. All right, let's pop on some lashes. All right, queens, lashes are on. I did add a little bit more shimmer eyeshadow. Just gonna pop a little bit more blusher. All right, now I just feel like the face needs a little bit more color. And of course, I did set my under eye off camera. So let's do the lips. I'm going to use this Unlimited Lip Gloss by Mary Kay. This was, I believe, a limited edition. Let's see if I can read the color. And I cannot read the color. It is too small. Mary Kay, these writings are too small. Okay, we can't read them, especially as we're getting older, Marykay. We can't read these, so can we do something about that? All right, I'm just gonna start with a little mauve nude just to fill in the lips. I mean, it's not gonna show whatever, it's just to give the lip gloss a little base. I'm just gonna go in. I am completely obsessed with this color. I believe she was a limited edition, so sorry. Check with your consultant. She might have some. All right, now there she is, absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's set the face down. All right, queen, so that is our look for today using the new Mary Kay TimeWise foundation, the 3D matte and the 3D luminous. Can you tell which side I use the matte on and which side I use the luminous on? To be honest, right now I can't really tell. But I know you guys saw the glow with the luminous when I first put it on and the difference with the matte. I love both of them. I'm glad I got both of them. You guys drop in the comments what your shade is, and if you don't know your shade and you need help matching your foundation and you currently don't have a Mary Kay beauty consultant, you're welcome to reach out to me. You can send me a message on Instagram, I would say. I also just set up a new page on TikTok. It's Eddie J Smith MK. So definitely guys go follow my new page on there. It's like new. Okay, so love it. They have a new Lash Love Panorama mascara as well. I think it's a Define and Lift. So all these products are on the website. They're all here to stay aside from the blush sticks. The blush sticks are limited edition. So if you like it, you might want to get that ASAP from your consultant. If you're my VIP, you're watching this video, then reach out to your girl. Thank you, queens, for watching the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Drop in the comment your foundation shade and let me know what you think about the new blush sticks as well as the sponge. All right, queens, thank you for watching today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.